Why live an inferior life? Then what does lead to a better life? Ghani Glass gives you a class of life comprises of all the benefits: beauty, luxury, space, energy saving, security. Don't we get all these benefits from any other glass? Yes, we do. But what makes our life superior is Ghani Glass. Now the question is, how? Simply because of Ghani's high-quality glass. Ghani Glass Limited, as leaders in glass, is meeting major market needs of the country. Ghani Glass has paved the path to provide you with the best glass, addressing your today's needs and understanding your future ones. The company works with both float glass of architectural use and glass containers for food, beverages and pharmaceuticals. GHGL itself is a part of the Ghani Group Industries that owns 5 huge glass plants in Pakistan and 1 Alpha Pharmaceutical glass container facility at RAC, UAE, 1 automobile plant, a number of silica and coal mines and many other businesses. Does the company have glass-making facility of international standards? Seeing is believing. Making a float glass is indeed one of the wonders of modern technology. Ghani has the facility of making high-quality float glass on state-of-the-art machines. Ghani uses some of the Earth's most abundant raw material. The main constituent is silica and counting for up to 60%. Soda ash, dolomite, sulfates and lime are added to it. Glass cullet itself is also an important ingredient. All raw materials are vigorously checked to ensure the purity of the batch. It is then fed automatically into a filling end of furnace with a capacity of 1600 tons. Ghani's plant refractory design is based on TECO, Toledo Engineering Company, Ohio, USA, which is the best in the world for float glass making. At Ghani, glass production is done on international ASTM standards. The plant has capacity to produce glass thickness from 2 mm to 19 mm. Natural gas burnt with preheated combustion air then heats the batch up to a temperature that reaches 1600 degrees centigrade. Processes within the furnaces are managed in the control room to ensure that the glass is homogeneous and free of blemishes. Highest quality refractory alpha beta is used in construction of float glass to produce best quality with 0 defects. In tin bath, glass spreads out following the perfect flatness of the tin, so the upper and lower surfaces of glass will remain absolutely flat and paralleled. All the procedure is controlled by digital control room. We constructed tin bath as designed by TECO, USA, using suspended automatic top rollers. This ensures uniform thickness and international quality production of float glass. Coatings that make profound changes in optical properties are applied by advanced high-temperature technology to the cooling ribbon of glass. The glass now enters the annealing layer, where any stresses are removed by controlled cooling process. In a length of 205 meters, the glass is taken from 600 degrees centigrade down to room temperature. At this stage, the glass is perfect. After passing through automatic handling, the process of main cutting is done very precisely. Ghani's latest plant produces perfect square sheets of float glass as per requirements. Side breaking of the glass sheet is made quite accurately. The float process is renowned for making perfectly flat, flaw-free glass. But even then, we ensure the highest quality by strict inspection at every stage. The glass does not meet international standards is discarded by quality control system. At Ghani, They are fully automatic cold end with multiple glass collector points, including 2 automatic stackers for handling of larger and heavier sheets. Packing at international standards is made possible to safe delivery to customers. As quality is our main ingredient, we leave no stone unturned to provide you the best quality glass through fully equipped laboratory. GHGL, as a name of trust, keeps the process of research and development continuous that ensures innovation and new product development for present and future needs. Nitrogen gas plant produces nitrogen and insert gas to provide oxygen for atmosphere inside tin bath. Hydrogen plant based on ammonia cracking process provides high purity hydrogen to be used in tin bath. Ghani Glass Limited has its own power generation facility. This is what Ghani Glass Limited does with the perfect match of man and machine. We mechanize the process by bringing brainy engineers of the world onto the machine of futuristic technology. Consequently, they give birth to the products called masterpieces. Ghani Glass Limited has an efficient network of regular exports across the world. A number of international certifications endorse Ghani Glass Limited as corporate citizen of the world. Ghani Glass Limited is also well aware of its responsibilities towards environment. Above all, Ghani Glass Limited has added one more feather to its crown by being the largest float glass producer in Pakistan with 900 tons per day top-of-the-line float glass production. Clear, green, brown, blue, grey and reflective glasses are being made on the state-of-the-art plants. Ghani float glass is highly suitable for tempering, double glazing and production of silver and aluminium mirrors, serving the purpose of outdoor and indoor applications. A long journey of caveman has brought him to a Ghani's luxurious glass house. Here, everything has its multiple benefits like space translates into comfort. Comfort depicts elegance. Elegance bestows with security. And security couples with sound and heat resistance. This is the real meaning of a glassy city. So why compromise on inferior living? Give esteem to your dreams with Ghani Glass. Live a superior life with Ghani Glass. Ghani, Pakistan's #1 glass brand.